we're up to here with this fuel pump. We ended up taking it all apart again. It looks like a mess up here. And we had a really cool looking setup. So we had top hat in place, fuel pump was all ready to go. Here's our radium fitting that we got. Did we show this last time?
No, I don't think so.
But anyways, that's how it works. So we're gonna have our return line going down. It's gonna siphon from the other hump of the, like on the tank from the right side, and it's gonna bring the fuel and dump it onto the left side. So we're like, okay, it's gonna fit here nicely. I'm gonna use a 90-degree quick disconnect. Had it set up like this, and I was trying to test fit stuff, and the hole just, it's not big enough. I can't get it to clear. It has to go in at an angle so we can get like the gas level to clear. And once I got to the fitting, it's not gonna work. So back to square one. Did we show this too? Did we show this?
No, I don't think so.
But yeah, so we got our top hat tap and 90-degree fitting. So it's just gonna go to, this is gonna be the return, this is the feed. So we just have to figure out a way to get a line to go this way and to get it to clear at once. So I think we figured out a solution where there's not gonna be a way around it. We just have to order like another like corrugated line, something that's flexible, because as you can see, this has to come up, and this hose cannot have any contact with the return line that's gonna come out through here. So that's why we need something that's flexible. We tried using the nylon 3/8, and it's just too stiff, kinks easily. Couldn't use that. Tried using this, and we just don't have the right hose to get it to come out and curve and clear all at once. I probably have about 1/2 inch diameter all the way around, which sucks. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna get that line ordered. And the other issue too is I have to get this connected onto that. The problem is that this is like a 3/8, and then this is more like a 5/16. And when I put this on here, it doesn't give me the seal, I guess, that I want. It slides out somewhat easily, and with pressure, this thing's just probably gonna pop right off. So I was like, okay, I'll get a clamp on here. Nope, won't work, because as soon as I get it in this housing, as you guys can see, I drilled this out, so our line's just gonna go right in through here, and that's where our barbs are gonna stick out. I can't get a clamp in there because it won't clear that, so now we're just gonna chop it off. So again, we don't really need this for anything, it's just to hold it in place. So yeah, gonna do that now. We're over it. We're just gonna get this to work, and that's it. So, gonna get to chop. Nice. Doing pretty good. Okay guys, so got this all figured out. As you guys can see, we got our housing back in here. This is what holds the fuel pump and our corrugated line. I didn't pop the spring back here or back in because we do have to take it apart. Then we also have to figure out a way to run our 10 gauge into the top hat and into the fuel pumps. So we'll be all set there. Our radium fitting, our Venturi fitting, that's just gonna sit in the tank. It's probably just gonna lie on the floor, connected to the original line, and this will go to the return. And then this will go to the return on the regulator in the front. So we'll be all set there. I did order some parts, so with everything going on, you know, stuff is a mess right now. We live in Michigan, Kalamazoo, so I think we're what, like the 5th state, or like the
yeah, it's like the fourth, I think.
4th?
Yeah.
4th worst state with coronavirus right now.
Yeah.
So that's where we're at. Things are getting really delayed on shipping, and we're just struggling to get parts. That's really it. And the other thing too, it's just like, I don't want to buy all these parts left and right, and then in a time of crisis, that's gonna be sketchy. Like I just, you know, I don't want to put myself in that position. So it is what it is. But we're gonna keep going at it with what we have. I'm not gonna film, you know, certain things here and there. Like, let's come over here. For example, I got this harness over here. I do have to modify it. I'm gonna actually cut this fuse box off. We're gonna use the original one. And then we're gonna do this by connecting it to the, what is that, female or male connector on the car. So we're just gonna use the stock connector, and then this is gonna go to our GM ECU and transmission controller. So just a bunch of wiring work, which is gonna get really tedious, so I don't wanna just bore you guys. Like, I can't just put the camera down. Once I'm done, I'll walk in through the process, maybe diagrams, this and that, whatever. But I think that's pretty much it for today. We do have to take out the block again and paint it. But yeah, we really can't do crap right now. Waiting on parts. I did place my order, got my 10 gauge coming, got relays, the whole deal. So hopefully those will come in on time and this will be done next week. If there's a delay, then we're screwed. And then until that's done, then we'll probably pull the engine out. I don't want to keep pulling it out and just digging stuff up. You know, we really didn't hit anything last time, to be honest, but just to, you know, play it safe. And then once it's ready to go back in for good, then it will. Like, I just, one more time, I don't want to keep taking it in and out, in and out. And that'll be it. So, still shopping around for intake and a few other parts here and there. And yeah, so we'll move along. Things are gonna probably slow down, so we'll see what happens, but we're gonna try our best. Cool, so yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We might try to do a little bit more Instagramming since this is gonna slow down a bit, maybe do more of like the tedious stuff here and there and provide you guys with updates on Insta. So, cool, thank you guys.